morning. This is a very quick video regarding another circuit board I made from using JLC PCB. This is a multi-section capacitor that I designed to go into small AM tube radios. Usually the radios have a multi-section capacitor like this in them. This is two 150 volt 40 microfarad capacitors in one package. And these often dry out or go bad, and they're difficult to find anything like this. There's some people who make them, but they're pricey and they don't always make them in the combinations you need. So this circuit board, it's just, I put two of them on one because what I was doing in the past is I would just take two capacitors and I would wire the negatives together and then run a wire from it and then one to each positive and then run them to the locations on the circuit where they needed to go. And then I would just kind of either hot glue or put this in the radio somehow. This makes this a whole lot easier. I just observing polarity, plug the capacitors in, solder them in place, and then I could even use, in some cases, the existing wires. Some of the capacitors are just a large capacitor with 3 wires coming out. I can cut those wires and I can just put them straight into here. And then I can much more elegantly mount this inside of an old radio. So there it is. Thanks for watching.